la 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 la. It's beautiful, beautiful, beauty. It's beauty. You see, guys, how beautiful is the Switzerland. Gorgeous, gorgeous. As you can see, people walking with holding hands. See that? See that? As you can see him walking, walking, walking. As you can see him walking, walking, walking. Let's go. Mga idol. Mga idol, talagang gusto ko talaga ang Switzerland. Tsaka ngayon, ang ganda-ganda ng weather. 6 years ago, galing ako dito. And then, it's snowing. Totally mga lodi. And then I couldn't see nothing. And I'm so afraid. It's my first time in this. And no, you cannot see nothing because of the snow. And this one, as you can see, this is all lakes. Lakes. Winter. During the winter, it froze. So all of this a lake. So I'm walking now on the lake. So during the summertime, so all of this is water. So I don't know what activities that people can do here. But I never been here during the summertime. So hopefully one day also, because after 6 years, bumalik na naman ako dito sa sa area na to. So ngayon, lalakad tayo papunta sa taas, sa gondola. Malapit sa gondola, there's a restaurant there. So I'll show you a little bit later. Okay, mga lodi, mga idol. So talagang maganda siya. So sana mga lodi nagustuhan nyo ang vlog ko. So I try my best na maglalakad kahit ang hirap. Napagod na kaya ako mga idol. Napagod na ako sa kalalakad. Almost 1.5 hour na ako naglalakad. So as you can see, still far away. So from here up to the gondola, I think about another 20 minutes in order to get there. So mga lodi, see you in few minutes mga lodi. Okay, bye bye lodi.